lang nitong si Miss on that note, lagi siyang nasusunog. Tingnan niyo yung sagot dito. Hindi daw siya political ally, ay enemy. Opponent pala.
Majority in Congress.
Correction. He was a political opponent. First of all, he supported the presidential bid of Manny Pacquiao. Number two, he was speaking strongly against the Maharlika Sovereign Fund. That is a matter of record.
Ayun.
He spoke strongly against the practice of government of forcing the generals to submit their courtesy resignations. On so many issues, he went against the government, and he has never joined the party of the speaker. He remained with his own party. So that qualifies him as a member of
Ano ka ngayon, Miss on that note?
opposition.
Ano yung sagot mo? Sige nga, tingnan natin.